Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill out your profile in the BitVavo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here in this page you can just press on the verification option under the profile section. And here you can just fill out some details like your email address. You can also write in there your phone number. You can fill out your profile. You can also verify your identification and all the others. So basically, normally you do that when you enter the application. I just skip this step, and that is why I'm showing you. If you also skipped that step, you can just go back here basically and fill out anything that you want. In this case, I'm just going to show you how to fill out your profile. So you can just press on fill in the form and press on get started. And here you can just press on continue to questions if you don't want to waste time. And you can see here the first question, which is have you traded crypto before. You can answer never, a few times, or many times. Basically it's just asking you about your experience. And you can also answer all these other questions as well here. And after that you can just go to the next section, which is in this case verify identity, which I'm going to skip once again. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.